Morning, guys. It's that's Georgian in the background acting a fool, but hey, it's day 3. Yeah, day 3. With another special vlog for you guys. If you haven't watched the previous videos, it is Georgian's birthday weekend, so for the entire weekend you will be seeing my face a bit more often. Thanks for understanding. For today, day 3, we don't have much planned for today. We had breakfast already, went downstairs to the buffet, grabbed some food. Now we're back in the room. What we're gonna do is, well, we're essentially ready to go by the beachside slash poolside to enjoy some water sports and to partake in some of the activities of the hotel. So that's what we have planned for now. Today is not a super packed day, it's more of a chill day. Actually gonna allow Georgian to decide what we should do today. That's all that I know for now. We'll definitely take you guys along with us throughout today to see what it is that we're going to be doing for the rest of today. But for now, poolside, beachside, have some fun, and I guess we'll see what happens from there. So come with us, we're going to the poolside.
Hey guys, it's me. Come with me, guys. So we're on our way down to the pool. We're gonna take some pictures and stuff. Still my birthday, kinda. My birthday weekend. Yeah guys, so I've been enjoying myself. It's going great. Grateful and everything. Now we're gonna take in some of the property because we have not done any of that before. Like, we have not gotten a chance to do. Bruh. Go. We came up on the wrong floor. Yeah, so we didn't partake in any of the activities. We didn't go to the lazy river, the pool, or anything. So that's what we're gonna do. No, we're mostly gonna focus on some photos, and then we come back up here, do a few things, and then go back down and do what we have to do. So hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. And please subscribe, as you know, if you're not subscribed already, like, comment, subscribe, stay, chill, everything. It's good over here, right, Mr. Hastings?
That's right.
Yes, and to all my subscribers, you know, already big up on yourself, enough ratings, all those good things, and yeah, catch you guys in the next clip.
Just when looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time, and I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side. Just when looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time, and I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side. Hold out your hand, yeah. Every day you're with me when I think I can't stand, yeah. You got big things coming, part of your plan, yeah. Step up in your...
Alright guys, so it's a sunny day, thank God for the weather. We've been having cloudy days since we got here, so it's sunny today. We're just gonna go on the beach side, take some photos as Georgian said, and we'll see you at the beach side. She's taking selfies. She's having a blast.
Okay guys, so we're out on the dock area here, walking. It is really nice out here. But there you see the hotel. Yeah. And it's windy out here as well. Photo shoot time, Dre Anthony Photography. Check it out on the IG. Big up myself I'll check back with you guys soon. Okay guys, so we just got done with the little photo shoot. Of course, you know you need to follow me on Instagram and follow Dre Anthony Photography on Instagram as well. So I'm just gonna take these off, change off, and put on something more comfortable to go enjoy, you know, the pool and everything. Hopefully you guys are hearing me because it's very windy out here, like very windy. Yeah, I could just live here, stop working and just live this life, right?
Yeah, for real, man. This the life.
Yeah. Hey guys, I put this is the outfit together. I have that little yellow thing tied around me. I had it since forever. I don't remember where I got it from. But yeah, I brought just 2 bathing suits with me. I'm gonna change into the other one because it's more comfortable. And yeah. Yeah guys, so we'll see you when we're back down here, changed off and everything.
I see you the one I want. The love that you were giving is salvation. You will keep me moving if I'm patient. I just wanna give out to the reason. You love me so I could have be complacent. Not afraid of the battles I've been facing. Nothing that you do is ever wasted. And you got the fire like I'm blazing. Cause I was trying to copy when I faced it. Just when looking at you open up my eyes. And I'll stay with you forever all the time.
Come on in. Hey guys, so welcome to our Hilton Rose Hall Resort and Spa room tour. Now follow me. First we have the closets here and here, and this is the inside. We threw some of our stuff in there here real quick. So this is how it looks going back to that side. And here we have the lovely bathroom for the awesome selfies. Just a minute, here we go. Yeah, yes, I really love the mirror guys with the lights. It's really nice. Love it. And it's me again, right? So we have the shower here. And of course, the toilet is just right here. All right. Next we have this door that we don't know why it's here, what's back there or whatever. So that's good right there. And this is the room. King size bed, amazing. Pillows are like clouds, literally. And we have our side tables here and our bedside lamps. So over here, you know, this is nice. The switch is just right here. You just stretch over, turn it off, turn it on. This is our laptop section. Just here we have those there. TV guide, leave that right there. So, and our Sony TV, and these are just some drawers to put your belongings, which you didn't even use. And here we have a cabinet, but there's a fridge. Here's the fridge. So all of these came with the room. We have not touched anything yet. We have just been drinking the room temperature water up top here. And this is where we would keep our ice. So we'd go out and get ice and leave it in here if we feel the need to do so. And phone is there. Sitting area here, another lamp. Simple painting. And over here, you can make coffee. And another lamp here, and this is just a nice little sitting area. Really love this big mirror right here. It's nice, and this section really came in handy for me to do my makeup. Yes, honey. So you know, so I'm gonna take over right here. So okay. Now for the best part. I hope I can open this door. Okay, so behind these curtains lay one of the best views. Okay. Wait. I gotta use 2 hands for this. Yes guys, so this is the beautiful view. We can see almost everything over here. Oh yeah. Yes, so this is really nice. You can see the ocean and the lake over here. You can see the water slide and the different pool sections, pool areas. We have a bit of the mountains over here as well. So a little bit of everything, and it's very beautiful. Yeah, so I'm going downstairs now. I have to go enjoy the good festivities. So you guys have to go. I'm sorry, but I have to escort you guys out now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. And yeah, subscribe if you have not subscribed already. And yeah, comment below, let me know what you guys think. Any questions you guys might have, please feel free to ask me. I'll be glad to answer. And I think that's about it. So I'll show you guys to the door. Let's go. And like I always say, take good care and may God continue to bless you guys. Bye. Okay guys, so we changed our fits and now we're going back downstairs. Go in the pool and stuff.
Please stand clear.
You're not pressing the button, you know what?
Oh yeah.
Please, brother. That's what happened to you. Wait, no, I leave.
Lots of fun in the lazy river.
Yeah, I proposed you. Epic.
Guys, lots of fun. Today is the 3rd day, birthday weekend, birthday vlog. Hilton, lazy pool, hashtag mad.
We just talk about that to pick up behind you.
No, don't worry yourself, guys. We're gonna go around the pool one more time.
Hey.
See you.
Hey guys, so we just came out of the lazy river. We spent like roughly 2 hours in there.
Yeah, about that. About 2 hours.
And it was really nice. It's hard to come out of, like, you legit feel lazy in the lazy river. For real. But yeah, we're going to get some food now and see what else we can do. It's 3:23 now. Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're here at one of the seaside grill. This is what we're having. Yeah, so we're gonna put our face with that. She can't wait because she's hungry. How are the first few bites? Alright guys, see you in the next clip. Miss Georgian Nicole ready for the evening. Alright guys, so last night of the birthday edition. Yeah guys, so we're gonna go downstairs now and enjoy some of the evening's entertainment. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're back in the room. Just came up from the night's entertainment.
Not much went on
tonight,
I guess because
guys.
it's probably Sunday night. Maybe most people have left, or maybe most people just staying in. Because there was lots of people out last night, more than the night before. So yeah, I'm not sure why, but it wasn't too bad. It's always nice to just go downstairs and then people are still up and about and around and everything. Shout out to Hair Invasion for my satin cap. Yes, so she has 2 sizes. You have this large one here, which I am wearing, and you also have smaller size to this. So yeah, really nice. Love it. We're just here now, probably catch up on some YouTube videos or watch TV.
Alright guys, so this is where we're gonna end today's vlog, today's activity. Thanks again for your support, the outpouring of love from you guys. For now, we're gonna close out today's vlog, day 3 of George's birthday weekend. Alright, so that's it guys. Like this video as usual.
Share, subscribe
guys,
if you haven't already. Thank you to all my new subscribers that decided to, you know, become a part of the family. I'm happy to have you here. Thank you so much, and yeah, thanks so much for the support.
Yeah guys, the support is real. Take care guys, enjoy yourselves, be good, peace.